Good afternoon from the Ritz-Carlton here in Fort Lauderdale. Let's head inside. So this is a great look at the lobby, nice and big, tons of marble, super open, super pretty. We're gonna keep walking here down to the back. So this is where the residence elevators are. The concierge desk is on your left, and then on the right, we have a jewelry store. It also has like some watches and some other things in there. Back over here, we have a little lounge area just to hang out in. There's a pool table, a couple TVs. It's a good spot just to come and hang out in the lobby if you're waiting for a friend or an Uber or anything like that. To the left over here, this is going to be the restaurant that's on property. It's called Burlock Coast. Food here is fantastic. And as you can see through the doors there, you kind of can't really see, but that's where the ocean is. So we're going to turn, walk around this way, and we're going to head over to the elevators, which will bring us up to our room, which is going to be over here on the left. And as we make our way this way, you'll see over here on the left-hand side, we have some water and towels and some other snacks and stuff that you can bring upstairs to your room with you. So yeah, looking at all this stuff. And now let's go ahead and head upstairs to our room. And welcome to our room. This is a junior suite that we were upgraded to. So this is going to be your snack bar, free coffee, free water, but then everything else over here on the left is going to be for purchase. As we turn around, we'll see a little desk over here on the right where you can do some working if you need to, or just keep some things there like we do. This is the living room portion. So here's a couch. And then we also have a TV with some storage and some things like that back over here. And now let's make our way to turn around, and we'll see that this floor-to-ceiling windows with our awesome view here on the 16th floor of downtown Fort Lauderdale. And now let's make our way into the bedroom. So this is the main bedroom that's here in the junior suite. King-size bed, 2 end tables, a couple beachy artwork above the bed. Love that. Again, floor-to-ceiling windows looking downtown. As we turn, we'll see this is where the storage is and also where the TV is. And now let's head into the bathroom. Double sink, double vanity, lots of counter space, full enclosed tub with a little hand wash station there and a big mirror. This bathroom very bright, comes with a lot of different things. As we turn to the left, we'll see the enclosed shower here on the right with a handheld shower as well. Soaps are included. They are amazing. They're some of our favorites when we stay at these hotels. And then this over here is going to be where the bathroom is. And there's a door here on the right that you can close. And look how just big this bathroom is. Now let's head back out into the bedroom. We'll take a look at this view again. This view is just amazing. And let's head outside over here. This balcony is huge. It comes with a table and chairs as well as a lounger. And it spans the entire width of the room. Again, we have a great view of downtown Fort Lauderdale. And now let's walk to the end over here just to show you guys like how big this balcony is. Yeah, it's just a massive, massive balcony. And this view, I just can't get over enough of this view. You can see the city in the background there and just watch boats. Oh, the one thing I did forget is this is going to be where your closet is. Rooms do come with robes. And then there's also bags there for them to do your laundry and things like that. And that's basically a junior suite at the Ritz-Carlton in Fort Lauderdale. It's an incredible, incredible room. We were so comfortable here for the few nights that we were here, and it's just amazing. One of the things that I can't get over is I was looking at these houses that are on the other side of the bay. I mean, look at these things. These things are all huge yachts in the backyard. I mean, they just look like $1 million homes. I'm sure they are multi-million dollar homes, but every single one of them is incredible. It's been fun to look at this entire time. So, I mean, these things are just insane. And they're all so different. Each architecture of them is so different. So it's been super fun to look at. All right, so now that we're all done with the room, let's go head over to the 7th floor into the pool deck. This is the pool deck here at the Ritz-Carlton. It's located on the 7th floor. The Ritz-Carlton is actually right up against the beach. It's just a little street, so let's pan across and you can actually see the ocean on the other side. This beach is absolutely gorgeous. The blue umbrellas down there, those are a part of the Ritz-Carlton. You get that included in your stay, and you'll have a beach attendant that'll come over and take care of you. So that's a really great perk about staying at the Ritz right on the beach. And I mean, it was a little windy while we were here during this day, but this pool was absolutely incredible. It gets lots of sun in the morning, and then you get a lot of shade in the afternoon because the building will block the sun. The underneath the big umbrellas over there, that's where the bar is, where your drinks will come from. You can go sit over there, or if you just want to wait for the pool attendant, you can do that. But this place was absolutely incredible. We absolutely loved hanging out on this deck, feeling the ocean breeze, and taking dips in the pool all day long. So it was just a great spot up here with gorgeous views. Another thing that's cool about the Ritz is you can actually see, and I'll zoom in here, the cruise port here at Port Everglades, Fort Lauderdale. So you can see there's a celebrity ship that's leaving, and I mean that's just something cool if you like to look at things while you're down there. So there's a cool ship there, and again, now we can see it totally leaving. And like that ship leaving, I think I'm going to end this video here. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.